Alright, so here's how you'll do this homework page. This is for practicing drawing Africa. This line represents the equator. This line represents the prime meridian. Go ahead and write that in, PM. So this page gives you 4 opportunities to practice drawing Africa from memory. I said that this is the prime meridian, and when I visualize Africa, I know that there's something in this hemisphere, in this hemisphere, and in this hemisphere. This quadrant is blank. There's nothing here. So over here I have my big C, my big old C shape. And it's not that very big. It's a big old C. Sure, it's big for the letter C, but relative to the rest of Africa, it's not very big. And so it does not go all the way out like that. That would be too big. Now from the north of the big old C, I'm going to draw a line. Even though the prime meridian is there, I'm going to draw a line. And I'm going to step down a little, slide, a small step up, and make a line there. And then I have this backwards check that comes down, and it comes down close to the equator, but not super close. So maybe about there is good. And then there's the check. Now from the south part of the equator, I have that, from the south part of the big old C. You know, I really don't like that right there. I'm going to draw my big old C again. There we go, that's better. And from the south of this big old C, I have that little McDonald's M shape. Yeah, kind of like that. And then I have that big old lopsided U. And the little car shape. And I'm going to draw again. And I'm going to be mindful. I don't need to erase anything. But I want to make sure that my big old C has about that much space, okay, between it and the equator. So I'm getting ready to draw again. I'm going to label my prime meridian down here so that it doesn't get in the way of my drawing. So I have my equator, I have my prime meridian. I'm going to start with the big old C shape. Make sure that I leave a gap, getting close to the equator. From the north, I'll make a line. Take a small step down, a slide, a small step up, and a line. And then a backwards check. There we go. I like this line better. From the south of the big old C, I have that little McDonald's M type shape. And then I have the big old lopsided U. And those two close off. And then I have the car shape. Okay. And you're going to do these two as well. And notice you're not taking long. You don't want to take a long time. You want to be able to draw it quickly. Imperfectly, but quickly. Good luck, and let me know when you're done.